this is a elderly couple who came to us with married life of 16 years. So the husband is 40 years old and the wife is also 40 years old. They had tried for conception at almost all kinds of medical modalities. That means in the allopathy, Ayurvedic, homeopathic, all the things they had tried, but nothing had worked out for them. Finally, they came to us and they wanted to have a child, and they had, with a lot of hope, they had come here, and we had done the IVF procedure because for the wife it was multiple fibroids, it was removed, and her AMH level is also decreasing. And this is the IVF procedure which we had done. You can see how we have 4 weeks is done. This is the sperm. So the fertilization is happening, sperm is getting injected. So now they are injecting the sperm. This is what it is done. And also the blast what things formed for them. These are the good blasts which had formed for them. And it's really elderly couple, and if they get a baby, we will also be very thankful to God, because with a lot of treatment it was not working out for them, and we specifically pray for them to get a good result.